and it won't stop. And it won't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a try on haul with all the clothes I bought from Aliexpress for like less than 20 or something less than 10. So let's get right into it. The first one, it's just like a satin off the shoulder. I didn't know how to tie it, but I like this material. Let me back up. I like this material. It's not cheap. It feels good. This is it. Cute. I recommend cop it because it's cute. Next one is this red two-piece sweater set. It's like the ones you see on Fashion Nova, but it smells like Old Basement. Set was $19.14. Makes your butt look good. It feels good. Is it see-through? I don't think it's see-through, but yeah, overall I like it. Next we have is this top and these bottoms. Top costs $5.55 and the bottoms cost $14.73. It's not a set, it's separate. I just bought them both because I thought they would go together. I don't know, do they? But the pants fit good. It's a soft material. I thought it was gonna be like that hard cardboard feel. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but it doesn't feel like that. Okay, next is this bathing suit. This holographic bathing suit with these mesh pants. These pants, like, they're so tight. The bathing suit is $8.10 and these friggin' pants is $7.52. Oh, I forgot to mention, I got everything in a small, just in case you're wondering. Everything in this haul is a small. These pants. They sent this bodysuit by accident because I didn't buy it, so I have no idea how much it is or what size it is, but it's just this black bodysuit. It's crazy. And these supposedly reflective pants. And I was saying holographic for my the two-piece, but I meant reflective. Y'all knew what I meant. Y'all could have corrected me. Y'all foul. These leggings are not reflecting anything. This bodysuit's cute too. Whatever size this is, it fit it kind of. I wish it had underwire here so it could be like a lip, but hey, whatever. Free. Pants were $10.14. I'll have everything linked below so you can go shop. Oh yeah, and guys, this makeup, I'm in love with it. I just filmed this, so keep an eye out for this look. It should be up before this one, so you probably already seen it. And now you can have the fire eyeshadow too. This is the next pieces. It's this turtleneck with the high V cut, and with these pants here. They are reflective as well, but you can't see it in this camera. I mean, I don't see it. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's reflective. Pants feel soft. It's not hard. It's like cotton-ish with satin. Turtleneck is really good quality. It's like thick, and I'm hot right now. They have thumb holes, so you could put your thumb through. Well, the top is $8.47 and the bottoms is $18.81. Next is this black two-piece with kind of like an under boob. Again, size small. The price for this was $10.14. Saw this two-piece in like Poly for like bread, like for no reason, and I seen it in like Aliexpress. I'm like, you need to follow with it. Okay guys, so next is this green top, which is $7.99, and these mesh pants that are $7.79. I know you've seen these on Fashion Nova, because I did, and I was gonna buy them, but then I was browsing in Aliexpress, and I would have been tight because it's the same material. But this here is loose, so I'm gonna like tighten it to be tight, you know. But besides that, it fits good. It's not see-through, as you can see. I just love doing this. So this is the next piece. It's a jumpsuit. I've been seeing this everywhere on Instagram. But yeah, you can wear it like this, or you can zipper it all the way up to a turtleneck. But the zipper is very hard, like. This one costs $12.13. Okay, next we have this orange turtleneck, just like the green one. Again, the price was $8.47, and then these pants. Oh, look at that! And these reflective pants are $14.22. These make a lot of noise. They have a nice stretch. Yep. And I'm sweating, so let me change out of this. This is the next fit. It's just this green two-piece. This one costs $11.54. Quality is really good. I really like it. Also bought it in the pink. I'll show you guys after this one. But I'm feeling it. This is the next piece. I have it in pink. It's so bright and it's cute. And it's cute. How many times did I say cute in this video? How many times? It's just like the other one. Price is $11.54. Just in case you forgot. It's small, of course. But yeah. Okay guys, this is our last outfit. It's just this black two-piece. Just like the pink one and the green one. This is another one, but it's different quality. And this one is $13.57, while the ones before was $11.54. It has the zipper, but on the other ones they didn't have the zipper. This material is more like stretchy spandex material. The other ones were like kind of thicker. This is the last outfit. Everything will be down below in the description. So if you need to like cop something, it's gonna be right down there for you. Don't forget the eye look will be in the description too, so go watch that video if you want this bomb ass neon, I was about to say green, neon orange eyeshadow look. I am out of breath from trying on all these outfits. Better like, comment down your favorite outfit out of this whole haul, and subscribe, share with your friends. But thanks for watching. This was super fun. There's more hauls coming in the future because I actually like doing these. Yeah, but thanks for watching.